In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "You will need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder" error in Windows 10. This error usually appears when Windows thinks you don't have the right permissions to delete a particular folder, even if you're already using an administrator account. The good news is, you can usually fix it by taking ownership of the folder and then adjusting its permissions. I'll walk you through this carefully, step by step. First, locate the folder that's giving you the error. This might be on your desktop, in your downloads, or somewhere on another drive. Once you've found it, right-click the folder and choose Properties from the menu that appears. This opens a window with several tabs along the top. Go to the Security tab. Here, you'll see a list of users and groups that have access to this folder. At the bottom, click the Advanced button. This opens the Advanced Security Settings window, where you can see who currently owns the folder. Near the top, you'll see the Owner field. Click the Change link next to the current owner. A new window appears where you can choose the user or group that should own the folder. In the text box, type your Windows username, or simply type Administrators if you're part of the administrators group. Then click Check Names to make sure Windows recognizes it. Once it's underlined or corrected, click OK. Back in the Advanced Security Settings window, make sure the box that says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects is checked. This ensures that all files and subfolders inside will also be updated with the new owner. Then click Apply. You might see a progress bar as Windows updates everything, especially if the folder contains a lot of files. When it finishes, click OK to close the windows until you're back to the main folder view. Next, right-click the same folder again and go to Properties, then back to the Security tab. This time, click Edit to change permissions. Select your username or the administrators group from the list, and in the Permissions section below, make sure Full Control is checked. If it isn't, check it. Then click Apply and OK. At this point, try deleting the folder again. If it still doesn't delete, check that no program is using any of the files inside the folder. Close any open applications that might be accessing it, such as a media player or an editor, and try once more. After these steps, the administrator permission error should be resolved, and you'll be able to delete the folder normally.